results. I've seen scammers actually do better marketing and advertising than the actual legitimate websites themselves. In fact, all right, Gardening Fan 41 asks, I need to access my files from the cloud while I'm at home. Well, you can do this if you're using OneDrive or Google Drive. You may not be able to do this if your IT provider has blocked you from doing so. So in the Microsoft world, there's a thing called OneDrive and SharePoint. OneDrive is where you could store up to, I think, a terabyte of your own files that are used during work. SharePoint is used for sharing files within work. And those are available not only on your laptop or your desktop, but also through the web. So you can go to onedrive.office.com or I believe sharepoint.com. You can easily do a Google search, but if you do a Google search or a web search, be very careful about those links that show up in the first results. I've seen scammers actually do better marketing and advertising than the actual legitimate websites themselves. In fact, if you tune into our cyber pandemic number 2, I believe number 1 actually talks about that exact same thing, about calling customer service and getting routed to a scam center for Amazon versus actually the real customer service there. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.